Hello and welcome to the video section of this training. In this section we are going to learn how we blog, and I'm going to explain two platforms that you can use in setting up your blog. The first platform I'm going to talk about here is WordPress. WordPress is a content management system that you can install both on your remote server and on your local computer, meaning on your laptop or desktop. You can install WordPress. Before we go into the installation, I want to explain how you can take best advantage of this training. The idea is that anything you see me do in the tutorial, you can do the same by launching WordPress and trying each step that I take in the program. For example, in this first video, I'm going to take some steps in the WordPress dashboard and explain how each button and each link works. So when you have access to your own WordPress interface, you can test it and see how it works as well. It helps you to understand it better than just sitting down and looking at the videos as if it's a movie. I want you to participate. I want you to interact, and that is how you can learn faster. So let's continue with WordPress. This is WordPress platform, and the URL to get to this page is wordpress.com. as you can see here. Just type in wordpress.com and you'll find yourself on this page. Now on this page you can create a WordPress account which you can use in setting up your own blog. But the difference that can happen is if you want to set up a free blog, you will be under the wordpress.com domain, and if you want to set up a paid blog, which is a premium blog, you have to make some payments. Earlier in the audio training I said you will need a debit card and a domiciliary account, so that is where those two areas come in. So let's go into creating your first WordPress account if you have not created a WordPress account yet. So to create a WordPress account, you can just come over here and click on sign up. So this is the sign up button. I'm going to click on sign up now. So when you want to create a new site or a new blog in WordPress, these are the steps that you will be taking through. This is the first page you will see. See, let's create your new WordPress site. So these are categories of things you can blog about: food and drink, health and wellness, education, and so on. So in this context, I'm going to click on professional services as an example. So I'm going to click on professional services, and after doing that, I say, what would you like your home page to look like? So these are ideas of themes that your WordPress site can have. So you may want to have a theme that looks like this, but for me, I think I like the boxed theme. I like the one that has this boxes. So this is just an example. It's not that you have to choose this particular theme. You can just choose the one that suits you. So I'm going to click on this. Then it's telling me that, okay, you love the box theme, so which of these ones would you like to pick? So this one is pictorial, Gazette, lots of box themes here. So let me just pick Baskerville. So I'm going to pick this Baskerville, select. Then the next thing is to look for the name you want to give your blog. Now in this example, let's say you want to be blogging about handbags, so you just type handbags here. If you want to be blogging about phones, you just type phone. So these are different types of things you can do. I call it phone city. Let's see whether that one is taken or is available for use. Phone city blog.wordpress.com. Now we have different types of plans. We have the free plan, which you will have a subdomain. So this is a subdomain because it's phonecityblog.wordpress.com. It is not phonecityblog.com. So this is a subdomain. So in order to set this up, what you just need to do is click on select, and it will take you to the next page. Now this is giving you a second thought. Are you sure you want to use the free plan, or you want to just pay $3 on a monthly basis, or you want to pay $8 on a monthly basis? And this is where the debit card or your domiciliary account comes into place. Because when you have your domiciliary account and you have the dollar card attached to it, you can purchase things like this online. In the year 2016, the federal government of Nigeria has disabled transaction on the Naira card, dollar transaction on the Naira card. So it has affected a lot of people who are doing business online. So for now, let's just pick the free version. So I'm going to click on select free. So this is where you now enter your email address and the username that you want to set up with. Then you choose a password. Then you click on create my account. Actually, the process is interactive and fun. It's something you can do yourself. But if you have any challenge along the line, you can just give me a call on 0818 5990 414. So let's move on to Blogger. Blogger is the next platform that you can use in setting up your blog. So to visit Blogger, you just type in blogger.com in your address bar, and you will be able to see the homepage of the Blogger site. So here is Blogger. So in order to create a blog in Blogger, you need to have a Gmail account. So I'm going to click on sign in if I have a Gmail account. But let's see what happens. I'll just click on create your blog here. Let's see what happens. Create your blog. Creating a blog in Blogger is very simple. In fact, within minutes you have created your blog. So this is the form you fill in creating your blog, the title of your blog, the address you would like your blog to have, then the templates you will want your blog to have. So these are not all the templates that Blogger has. There are lots of templates in Blogger, but these are the ones that are basic that you can start with. Even there are some text templates that are premium templates that you can install on your blog, and these templates are installed using XML files. So let's just do a short example. Let's say the title of my blog is Phone City, and I want it to be Phone City phonecity.blogspot.com. So it's checking whether somebody has already used it. Somebody has used it. Okay, I'm going to use another one. Phone City Abuja.blogspot.com. Has somebody used it? No. So no one has used it. Well, me personally, I'm not interested in phones. I just want to use this as an example. So I'm going to check this box. Okay, good. It's already checked. Oh yes, it shows that nobody has used this particular address. So I'm going to also choose one template that we can use. Let's have a look at the templates. Okay. Well, not much for me to choose from. Okay, let me just choose this one and click on create blog here and wait for it. The blog will be created. So on your laptop, I would like you to do the same. I want you to go to blogger.com and create a blog there. Well, in this training, we are not going to talk about Blogger that much. I just wanted to mention it so that you see the possibility and you can experiment on Blogger as well. We're going to focus more on WordPress. But I want you to have a wider knowledge apart from WordPress. That's why we are talking about Blogger in this training. So this is the Phone City blog I just created. So in Blogger, you can manage your posts, you can create pages, you can create navigation bar just like WordPress, and you can earn. There's this popular program called the Google AdSense, which you can put adverts on your blog, and when people come to the blog to read the content you have posted, they click on these adverts and you get some cents in return, and over years or months you can get some monies coming into your account. Google will be sending you checks because of the monies you have earned through your blog. So this is the standard and classic monetization technique that most people know about blogging, that you advertise people's company on your blog, and they post, you allow them to post their pictures or banner ads or header ads in your blog, and in exchange you get paid. That's the classic monetization technique everybody knows. But in this program, I'm going to teach you some monetization techniques that are far more advanced and yields better results than that. So I think let's leave the Blogger alone now, and we go ahead to learn more about WordPress. If you have a laptop and you don't want to connect to the internet in order to learn WordPress, there is a platform called the XAMPP platform, which is could be Windows, it could be Linux, it could be Apple Mac. Then we have the Apache server, the MySQL server, and we have the PHP that goes along with it. So everything is combined together to allow your computer to be converted to a local host server. So I've already created a PDF guide that teaches you how to convert your computer into a local host server, and how to install WordPress on your local host server. So instead of you connecting to the internet in order to learn WordPress, you can do it offline. So this is the PDF I created. If you don't have it in your package, I will send you the download link. Just send me an SMS your email to me at 0818-590-414, and I will send you this guide. So this guide shows you how to create a local host server. You need to install your Visual C++ Redistribute 2008, the exam software, and you need the core of WordPress, which is a zip folder. You unzip it and you upload it to htdocs. It's easy to do. The process here, I've explained it so much that it will be very easy for you to install and set up. So that is how to install WordPress locally. You have to go through this guide, and if you have any challenges along the line, you can also call me or send me an email. Now let's move to the other side, which is installation of WordPress on a remote server. To install WordPress on a remote server, you need to either have a hosting account or you have a let's say a shared hosting account. And there is a software called Softaculous. The Softaculous software is a wizard that allows you to install WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, Moodle, BBPress, or different kinds of content management systems on your web server. So I'm going to show you a little on how that could be done. So sit back for a few seconds. I'm going to show you that.